Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add home address on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to add home address on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon at the top right corner. Tap on profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this kind of interface appears, you can see the option where it says your data in Google Maps just above the settings. Tap on your data in Maps, and when this interface appears, guys, scroll down a little bit and you can see your the home and work addresses for your account on Google Maps. Now in order to add a home address on Google Maps, tap on the home section over here just above the work, and after we tap on the home address, will be on this interface. Either we can type the home address of our home manually like this, whichever may it be, or you can just choose it on the map. So I'll be going to the map. You can also type in your address, and let's tap on choose map. And after choosing your location on map, you will be required to drag to adjust the location of your home. So zoom it, and after zooming, guys, go to the location where you're living over here like this. For example, I'll be typing in my home, and let's go a little deeper. And with that being done, let's select the home, and after going to the location of your home, you can also choose it on the satellite view if you want to. You can also choose it on your satellite, and you can also do it on the map version. After choosing a precise location, tap on the save button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the save button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that address will be saved as your home on your Google Maps, or you can just type it over here. And after doing that, guys, after choosing your location, tap on the save button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after you have tapped on the save button, guys, your home address will be saved like this on your Google Maps. And if you go back, you can see, guys, your home address has been saved on over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to add your home location on your Google Maps. You can see, guys, the home is appearing over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add home address on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.